So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Ruth Kim, and today I'm going to do something totally different. As you can see, we have a burnt cooking pot, and I followed a very viral DIY, which she was only using washing detergent and water. So we are going to try it out and see if it's going to work, guys. So after putting on the stove, we are going to add some water. You only need to add the water slightly above the burnt area. So I'm just going to put that amount of water. The next part was to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of detergent, any type of detergent that you have, like washing detergent. So mine is this one, it's white. So I'll just add it in there and then wait for it to boil. So once it starts boiling, the next step is to reduce the heat. So the next part is to reduce the heat and let it boil for 15 minutes on low heat. So guys, after leaving the pot overnight, this is what I woke up to this morning. As you can see guys, it's way much better compared to the way it was at the beginning. So I'm going to pour the water, and this is what we get. This is what we have. It still have some parts, but this is something we can clean up with a normal scrubbing. How do you call it? Kawaya. We call it kawaya in my language, and with a normal soap. So I'm going to clean it. Like you would clean it normally. And there you go. Now I'm going to rinse it out. Surprise, surprise. There you go guys. And there you go, and there you go. There you go guys, you have your pot back, and voila, it worked. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.